Hey Eric, this is Nate. Thanks for reaching out. I went and checked out some cleaning companies. Kind of wanted to give you a little breakdown about their websites. I wanted to start on your Facebook page, but this will kind of, as you go and build a site, it'll give you kind of some of the things that you need to really look at and pay attention to with whoever's building your site for you. We're going to talk about the content, the citations, and the backlinks. We'll get into what those are. I want to start with saying, your new Facebook page looks great. Right now you've only got 13 people that like it, that are following it. I would go into some of those Texas small business groups, like where you actually met me, and maybe post your link in there and do a trade where, tell people if they like your page, you'll go like theirs or something like that, just to kind of get that number bumped up and start getting some posts in here and try to get some interactions. But what I wanted to show you, like I said, we talk about the content, and with Google, content is king. They like to see about 1,500 words on the home page and about 500 to 750 on the back pages, because Google's really looking for the keywords. Like, this site looks really nice. This is one of the local guys I found in Round Rock, but there's not a lot of content on it, and Google can't see the pictures. Google only sees this written text. Just kind of guesstimating on it, they've probably got about 500 words on there, so that's super easy to beat out. This is one of the other ones that I found. Very similar layout. And like even this, the way it pops up, that is probably typed in there, so that probably is content. But as you can see, I mean, it's a super short, simple page. There's not a lot of content on there. And the reason the content is important is so Google can find those keywords. If somebody searches commercial cleaning in Round Rock, they want to know they're sending them to a website that talks about commercial cleaning in Round Rock. So Ahrefs is one of the tools that we use. This was the first site that I showed you. They're currently ranking for 22 keywords. But they're only getting about 2 visits a month to their website because of it. If you type in their company name, they're coming up in the 4th position. And all of the rest of these are showing up. This is 4th page, 5th page, 5th page, 6th page. But they do have, cleaning services Round Rock. That is a really good keyword to have. There are 100 people a month that search that keyword. Generally, if you can get in that #1 spot, you'll get about 1/3 of that traffic coming to your site. So you'd get about 30 to 35 of those people that would come visit your site if we can get you #1 for that keyword. Round Rock Cleaning Services, that's another one. There's 50 people that look for that. Cleaning Services Round Rock, Texas, there's 70 people that look for that. So we do have some good keywords that are showing up in the Round Rock area, which would be super easy to rank for. This right here is considered your keyword difficulty. Anything less than I'd say less than a 10. I like to keep it below 5, but if it's below 5, they're super easy to rank. And we can go back over. I've got the other site pulled up here too. See, they're only showing up for 3 organic keywords. Round Rock Cleaning Services, but see here they're on the 6th page, the 7th page, and the 8th page. So they're not getting any traffic to their site even from their keywords. So they still need to do a lot of work. The other thing is the citations. And the citations are what gets you right here into this Google Map Pack. And both of these guys are showing up there. So the citation is your company name, address, and phone number listed in multiple directories across the web. Yellowpages.com, Yelp, BBB, Merchant Circle, all of those guys. You want to get in there, get your exact business name, address, and phone number listed in those directories to help you get into this map pack right here. Whitespark is one of the tools that we use to see those. Right here, Express Commercial Cleaning, they have 31. Round Rock Commercial Cleaning, they only have 4. One of the first things I do when I take over a site for a client is go in and add about 100 citations on there and just blow these guys out of the water. So we can actually go in here. Let me see if I can get to it. But it will show us where they have their citations. And we can go in and try to, and this is part of their company name, so we're probably not going to get a citation there. But we can go in and look where their citations are and try to get you guys the same ones and then go out and get more. But like I said, I would generally try to add about 100 citations to your Google My Business page once we get it set up. Here's all the ones that they have their citations on. So it's super easy to go in and copy what they're doing. Even with the keywords, see what keywords they're pulling, see what people are searching for, get those on your site, get you these citations going. And the third thing is your backlinks, and we can go back to Ahrefs for that. Your backlinks are right here. it's kind of a popularity contest. The more backlinks that you have, the more popular and more relevant Google thinks you are. But a backlink is any website that points back at yours. Say one of those directories, somebody looks up cleaning services in Round Rock and, Yelp shows up and they find your name in there and they click on it, it goes back to your site. That is a backlink. So the citations will help you with your backlinks. There's also blog commenting. You can find local blogs about cleaning services or, cleaning in general. Even national blogs about it. But try to keep it relevant to your business. So you can do local, like Austin type of blogs or blogs anywhere, but talk about the type of service that you offer. Read some of the articles, leave some comments, put a link back to your site. If we go look at the other guys, they don't even have any backlinks yet. And like I said, there's using Round Rock as an example, there's not a ton of competition that's doing well as far as the internet goes. But right here, we can go in and look at what backlinks these guys have and actually go in and try to get those same backlinks for you. So I call it the copycat method. Find the guy that's got the most, try to get as many of his as you can on your own, and then go in and find some more. But that's kind of my overview. Content, 1,000 to 1,500 words on that home page, 500 to 750 on your back service pages. Citations, once you get your Google My Business page set up, get as many of those citations going as you can. I would wait until that gets verified by Google first before you start adding a lot of citations. But the backlink stuff you can start adding right away. And like I said, that's going in and doing blog commenting. If you've got friends that have businesses and their websites, they may be able to put a link back to your cleaning service on their site, just different stuff like that. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, 210-383-8401. I'll talk to you later. Thank you.